Everyone loves ramen, right? I mean, all the way from those shitty little Maruchan instant ramen packets, all the way up to a glorious bowl of miso, shio or tonkotsu ramen at a shop. You know, the real deal. There's so much love for ramen these days that people actually tend to forget that there is a cold alternative as well. And now that the weather is fucking hot, why don't we make a cold ramen salad called Hiyashi Chuka, which means cold Chinese. So since this dish is mostly assembly of different parts, let's start cooking the things that we actually have to cook. You see these little threads of egg? Let's make them first. Mix a couple of eggs together in a bowl with some salt. Then in an oiled pan on medium-high, go ahead and pour in a nice thin layer. Not like I did, a thin layer. Once it's done, put your little egg cake on your cutting board and then roll it up like a nice yellow little cigar. And start chopping it real thinly. And you'll now have those little strands of egg hair that you can use on your Hiyashi Chuka. Now wasn't that easy? Next part is easier. For Hiyashi Chuka to actually work, you're going to need some sauce since we're not going to have any kind of broth with the noodles, and if you don't have any sauce it's just going to be dry and shitty. So I'll share with you my secret, super duper secret recipe for Hiyashi Chuka sauce, which is actually just a normal Hiyashi Chuka soy-based sauce with lime instead of the vinegar. Squeeze a whole lime into your mixing bowl, followed by a tablespoon of soy sauce and a tablespoon of sesame oil, and since I also adore rayu, the garlicky chili oil, I'm going to put some of that in there as well. With the sauce and eggs now done, let's make the noodles. Now any kind of noodle goes. You can even make this with those shitty instant Maruchan packs, but I don't recommend it. Whatever noodles you choose, boil them until al dente and then drain them and wash them with cold water quickly before topping them with ice cubes. Now by doing it this way you're going to stop the cooking so they don't overcook and become mushy and shitty, but rather keep their kind of springy and nice texture. Now while the noodles are chilling we can prepare the other toppings, which are just julienning a bunch of vegetables. Now I chose the standard toppings here, which are cucumber, tomato, and some paprika. It's not really standard, but I had it laying around, so why not? And ham is also a big part of Hiyashi Chuka. Now you're definitely going to have to cut them up by yourself, but I actually bought pre-sliced ham for Hiyashi Chuka. Not because I'm lazy, because that one tastes better. Assemble everything in a bowl before you throw over your soy saucy and limey sauce. A little saucy sauce. I also added some sesame seeds because, hey, I like sesame. Ice cold and firm noodles, nice summer vegetables, a delicious sweet and sour sauce with a little bit of saltiness from the soy sauce and the sesame oil. Yeah, I think this is going to cool you down real well for this summer season, which has been unbearably hot, god damn it. Some of you might be asking, oh, did you start working at a Japanese fishery or something? Well, actually no. Let me show you what I have here. This is something that I bought in Hokkaido, which is going to hang on the wall back here. Yeah, I'm going to start decorating my wall now, finally. But I don't have any thumbtacks today, so that's for next time. So thank you all for watching. Hope you're going to enjoy this amazing, super easy, it only takes 10 minutes, and super delicious Hiyashi Chuka, aka cold Chinese. I'll see you guys next time.